Now, today I solve you some problem of modified Euler's method. Okay. Now the question is like that: solve dy by dx is equal to y minus 2x by y. The values of which is given as y0 is 1 in the range 0 is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 0.2. Yes, now using the modified Euler's method, now taking h is equal to 0.1. This is the question. Okay. Now the solution of this is defined as, here it is given in this problem is dy by dx, which is y minus 2x by y. Okay. And at a point x0, y0 is given as 1 and the h is given as 0.1. Okay. Now we have to find out the solutions of 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 0.2. So we have to find the solution at the point x is 0.1 and x is 0.2. Yes, students, clear? Okay. Now we using the modified Euler's method. Yes. Now from the formula, yes, from modified, yes, Euler's method, yes, yes, we have the formula, you know, which is y, yes, this one is given as, here is y m plus 1 is equal to ym plus h f of xm plus h by 2, yes, and f of this one, and now ym plus h by 2 f of xm ym. Okay, students? Yeah. Now putting, yes, here putting m is equal to 0. In this equation, let us suppose that the equation number is 1. Okay. Substituting m is 1, so y1 is equal to, yes, this is y0 plus h f of x0 plus h by 2, and here is y0 plus h by 2. Yes, students? And now which is f of, yes, x0 y0. Okay, students? Okay. Clear? Now here this is the general formula. Let us suppose that for putting m is equal to 0, let us, this equation is 2. Okay. Yes. Now for this formula, the values which is given dy f of dy by dx, which is equal to f of x5. So this is given as, so f of, yes, f of x0 y0, yes, you know, which is given as, according to the given problem, which is given as y0 minus 2x0 by y0. Yes. And now substituting these values, y0 is 1, x0 which is given 0.1. So you get this value is, yes, 1. Okay, students? Yes. Now the next one is that is y0 is this one. Okay, just a moment. 0.1 minus of this y0, m is 0. Yes. Okay. Correct. Now this term you have to got f of x0 y0, which is, you have this one, and now you find out this term and this term. Okay, so y0, yes, so y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0. Yes, f of x0 y0, which is given as this is y0 x0, which is given y0 is 1 plus h. Yes, h is given 0.1 divided by 2, and f of x0 y0, which is given as here is 1. Yes, students, solving this you get this is 1.05. Okay, and now you find out this term x0. Yes, next term x0 plus h by 2, you get this one is equal to 0.05. Substituting this and this values. Okay, so now substituting this term and these values in equation number this 2. So yes, so we get, okay, so y1 you get substituting. So first we have to obtain this term f of this one. So we have to obtain f of, yes, we have to obtain f of, yes, x0 plus h by 2, yes, and y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0. Yes, okay students, this one and this one is equal to this one, you have to obtain this one. So this is equal to, this can be written as, in place this you can write down 0.505, and in this place, here in this place you have to find out 1.05. Yes students, clear? You get this one. Now substituting these values in equation number 2. Yes, therefore y1 is equal to y0, which is 1. Yes, and now h here from this equation, from 2. Yes, from 2. Okay, h which is given as 0.1. Okay students, now f of this term and this term is given as f of 0.05 and y of 0. Yes, and now f of 0.0 and the function is given here is, yes, f of xy, which is given here is, which is y minus 2x by y. Yes, okay students, here this term is given like that. So substituting this term, you get this value is f of this is here, substituting this one 0.05 and 1.05. Yes, f of this one. So this is equal to, here is the value is 1 plus, okay, actually if you substituting these values you can find out 1.0.1, and this value you get, y is this one, so y is 1.0.5. here we can write down this one. Okay, that is 1.05 minus of 2 and x is 0.05. Yes, clear? And divided by y, and y is 1.05. Yes, clear? Okay students, so this value if you calculate from the calculator, you get 1 plus 0.1, and this value you get 0.09547619, and again you get this value is 1.09 4 7 6 2. Okay students, you get the values 1.09547762. Okay students, this is the value for the first one. Now similarly, if you are substituting here is m is 1, yes, then we get the formula is from this equation 1 in 1, yes, in 1, equation number 1, then we get y2 is equal to y1 plus h times, yes, x1 f of, yes, f of x1 plus h by 2, yes, h by 2, and y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1. Okay students, clear? And this one we come. Okay, so you substituting, now find out this one and also we find out this one. Okay, yes, so we get, yes, now so we get the value of first one is, you have to find out x1, this one. Okay students, so x1, yes, plus h by 2, yes, which is equal to x1, this is 0.1 plus 0.1 divided by 2, that is you get the values 0.15. And similarly f of x1 y1, yes, this is equal, here you get y1 minus 2x1 divided by y1, that is from the calculator you can substituting these values and now you get 1.09547, yes, 62, like that. Okay, 1.09547, yes, 4762. Yes, this value y1 is this one. Here we calculating. Here y1 is, yes, y1 is this one. Y1 is this one. So this one here y1 is this one minus 2 times of x1, yes, minus 2 times of, yes, minus 2 times of x1, x1 is 0.1 and divided by this is again y1, so 1.0954762. Okay students, calculating this value you have to find out 0.9129071. okay, this is f of x1 y1. Yes, now you have to find out next one is the value y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1. Okay, so this is equal to y1 is 1.0 here, y1 is here, yes, and then you have to obtain this one value, so this value is 1.09, yes, 1.09, yes, 1.0954762. okay, and h plus h is 0.1 divided by 2, and f of x1 y1 you have to obtain is 0.91299071. This is x1 y1. okay, solving this, you get the values. This is 1.1411, yes, 1216. Okay, so the next one, therefore the value is f of, yes, x1 plus h by 2 and y1 plus h by 2 and x1 y1, this value become this one in this interval, yes, this, and at a point, sorry, f of this one, yes, this value is equal to, you get f of x1 plus h by 2, which is 0.15, and this value you have calculating here. So this value you get here is 1.1411216. Yes. So this value is, and now this value. Yes, now this value is equal to this thing. F of this one, now substituting again f of x1 y1, which is equal to again, yes, f of xy, this is again given here is y minus 2x by y. So now similarly, now next we have obtained f of xy, which is equal to 2. Here you can see that this is f of xy, which is equal to y minus 2x by y. You know that one. So this is equal to y. So y is here is 1 y1, yes, 1.1411216 minus 2 times, yes, multiplied by x, which is 0.15, yes, x1 is this one, and divided by 1.1411216. Okay, students, now calculating this value, you get 0.8782223. 0.8782223. Okay, now substituting now all these values in equation number this. Similarly y1, similarly you can see this y2. Here is, you can see this equation. Okay, in equation number 3. Okay, so substituting in equation number, substituting from in equation, yes, in equation, yes, 3. So y2 become, yes, so y2 is equal to y1. y1 is 1.095472 plus 0.1, yes, and this value is into 0.8782223. Okay, students, and so this is, you get 1.18, yes, 1832984. Okay, you get the values y2. Okay, so you get all these values from the Euler's method. Yes, from this equation. Here the question is like that. From this you find the formula modified Euler's method. You solve this equation. Okay. Similarly, given this, similarly first we have to find out the value for the x which is 0.1 and similarly for the 0.2. Okay, students, thank you. Next, I have defined some other questions of the Euler's method and another good method. Okay, students, thank you.